Hey, my name is Jesse with Revved Up SEO. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you guys to kind of give you some tips on stuff that you can start implementing today and in turn start getting you higher in the ranks on the search engines. So first and foremost, I just wanted to say that you guys do have a pretty good website. It's nice, neat, clean, things like that. The only thing that I would say about the website here though is that you guys are lacking a little bit of content. So when Google starts to try to rank a website, it's going to first look at the content. So as you can see here, you guys have a decent amount of content, but Google wants unique and authoritative content to what you guys are all about. So in your guys' case, it would be plumbing, heating and cooling and stuff like that. And if you guys just take a look on this web page, on this homepage, you guys are going to notice that you guys don't really talk a lot about the HVAC too much. You guys do talk about it. You guys get into your services right here. And I think right here is where Google's starting to see your guys' keywords. But you come down to here. This is just talking about Albuquerque, which is good. I love Albuquerque. I live up here in Farmington. But like I said, Google wants to see authoritative and unique content to what you guys are trying to rank for. If we take a look over here, I have this tool. It's called Ahrefs. And essentially, it's just a tool that gives me some insights on how businesses are doing on the search engines. So if you can see right here, we have your strength and then we have your trust. So you got a little bit of strength and a little bit of trust. And these both are ranked on a 100-point scale. Um, the way you guys start building trust and strength is through your backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are better than others, some carry no weight, and then some are just spammy. And what I mean by this is a backlink is just a link from another web page to your guys' web page. Google wants to see relevant backlinks to what you guys are doing. So say HVAC business somewhere in California or Texas or something like that, and they're directing a link to your guys' webpage. Google's going to see that. They're going to like it. They're going to give you guys some weight. What they don't want to see is a business not relevant, say like an ice cream shop, giving a link back to you guys. You guys are being found for 246 keywords, and we'll take a look at that right here. We come down and you guys can start seeing all the keywords that you guys are being found for. You guys are being found for quite a bit compared to your competitors. With that being said, I would definitely recommend start putting some of these keywords on that homepage, and that's going to start helping you guys rank a little bit. But back to these backlinks, you can come down here and we can see that you guys have a total of 181 backlinks, right? Come down here. Of those 181 backlinks, you got 43 that are giving you weight, and then you have 138 that are not giving you any weight, and essentially that's why your guys' trust isn't as high as it should be with as many backlinks as you guys have. If we go and take a look at one of your competitors, we have Stewart's Plumbing. These are one of your guys' top competitors. They're ranking on the first page. As you can see, they have a total of 1,100 backlinks. Their trust flow is a little low, but they are ranking for quite a few keywords more. But what's helping them the most in your guys' niche is they have 1,097 backlinks, right? They have 776 that are giving them weight and 321 that aren't. So because they have almost a little over double do follow links that are giving them weight, that's helping them rank a lot higher on that search engine. And I went ahead and just typed in plumbing and heating in Albuquerque. I did a quick search. The first time I saw you guys pop up was right here. And as you can see, this is on the 9th page. Obviously, more traffic is going to come to the first page, but I just wanted to give you guys an insight on how those backlinks play a role. As you can see, Stewart's Plumbing, they had a bunch of those do follow, good weight links, and even though they had a lower trust, those links are what's giving them that top position on that first page. There's one other thing that Google takes into consideration when they are ranking a web page, and that's right here. One thing right here is the Google Guaranteed. It's just one thing to add to your guys' business. If you guys aren't Google Guaranteed already, I would definitely recommend it. Google trusts those obviously a lot more. And lastly, one other thing that I recommend that you guys look into is citations. All a citation is, if we take a look over here, is this right here is called your map pack. All a citation is a business name, address, and number. The more times you have that in different directories, the better. So I would definitely look into seeing how many citations your competitors have, and obviously go and try to put them on that same spot, and then go above and beyond and start putting some more out there. So between your content, your citations, and your backlinks, I think with just working on those, you guys can definitely see an improvement on your guys' rankings. If you guys want to take this information and try to run with it yourselves, no harm, no foul. By all means, do what you guys got to do. But if you guys would like some help putting together an attack plan and getting your guys' business starting to rank higher on the search engines, don't hesitate to reply back to me. Let me know what you guys thought about this video at the very least. So with that, I'm going to end this video. Hope you guys had a couple nuggets out of it at the very least. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you for your time.